Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Savizz at Kitchen. Yeah, man. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make authentic Jamaican stew fish. So stick and stay with me on this one, guys.
That's for you.
As you can see, I've got two lovely snappers right here. Yeah, man. Two lovely snappers, almost big like me. Hey, that is it, man. Say, man.
Yeah, boy. That's it. That lovely.
I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get some seasoning on them now. Yeah, I've got some fish seasoning. That's Maggi. So I'm gonna show you what's going on down here. Alright, this is the fish. Right, this is the fish. Yeah. Okay, and this is what I'm using. I'm gonna use some Maggi. Careful. I'm gonna use some Maggi seasoning over it like so. And inside the belly, you wanna get some in there inside the gut, like so. Got this, guys. Yeah? Lovely red snapper. Yeah. So I'm gonna put a little black pepper as well. This is it. Just sprinkle a little black pepper over it like so. So didn't want a lot of black pepper. Yes, see me? Alright, that is it, man. So I've got a little garlic powder. That is it, man. Yeah? Look at it. Yeah, man, that is it. A little garlic powder, make some. And get some in the belly, in the gut, in the belly. Yeah, man, in the belly. Right, guys, so that is that. So now, I'm just gonna wait for the oil to get hot. Come on. That is it. Over here, guys, as you can see, I already prepped up all my vegetables. I've got one medium carrot in there. I've got some green bell pepper, some red bell pepper. I've got my scallion. There's no time as yet, so I'm gonna get my time. I've got my garlic here, so I'm gonna get it in there later on. Yeah, man. After I finish frying the fish, when I'm making the sauce, I'll show that to you, man. Stay tuned and watch it process, guys. Soon come. Hey guys, I'm gonna get some oil in the pan. Yeah. Like so. This is extra virgin olive oil. That is it, man. That's what we're using. That is what we're using today. Some extra virgin olive oil. Over here, and then I've got some chopped onion, spring onion, tomato, bell pepper, and carrot. I'm going to get the fresh thyme and the garlic as well. I'm going to add that in. So let's get the chopped onion in first. bell pepper. We got some carrot shrimp. Tomato, chopped tomato. So now we are going with some chopped tomato as well. What is that? So that is that for the minute. So I'm gonna leave this make it warm. Stay for a minute. And this is my fried fish, guys. Snapper. Come on, this is it, man. I need to get some pimento berries as well. Pimento berries and that bad boy. Get some scotch bonnet. Some scotch bonnet in there. Alright, so in this little bowl here, guys, I've got some stock, fish stock, mixed up with soy sauce and some tomato puree, yeah, like maybe a spoonful tomato puree, and I've got 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, yeah, I already measured it. So I'm gonna add it in like so. Yeah man, nice and easy. Nice and easy, guys. I should have got some what's it called? Some okra, yeah. I've got some okra in there, I need to get that out as well. Yeah man, I got some okra, so that's it. That is it. I don't want to add too much. I don't want too much. I don't want it too spicy. It's not everybody can handle spice. Yeah, I mean, so that is it. I'm just gonna add a little bit in there. Just a little. Like so. Yeah. Yeah man, this is tasting lovely, really good. It's tasting delicious. Put like a fish seasoning in. I'm gonna let me go and get my thyme. I'm gonna get some thyme, guys. Yeah. I must get my thyme. So stay tuned, guys. Soon come. Alright guys, I'm gonna add a little ketchup in my sauce. I already put the fresh thyme in there. So thyme is in there already. So I'm gonna just add a little ketchup like so. Oh, yo, whoa. And now I'm gonna go in with a little more water. You see it? Yeah man, that is it man. So now get some pimento in. Pimento berries in it. So some pimento berries, guys. This is it. Right, so yeah. Or you can use whatever seasoning of your choice. You don't have to be pimento berries, you know what I mean? You don't have to be fish seasoning. Whatever seasoning you want to use, it's up to you guys. You know what I mean? But that is it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get some little bit. So this one is a natural ingredient, you know? Yeah, man, that is it, man. This is good enough. Like so, that is it. So now I'm gonna put this bad boy here to sit in the juice, like so. Yeah, man. So like this, I leave this to go. Alright, now I've got some okra and some spring onion and stuff in there. Just gonna add everything. That is it. So
make sure it don't show.
right, that is it. So as soon as this is finished cooked, guys, I'm gonna dish it out and share it out, dish it out in a plate and show you what I want in the hot kitchen. Stay tuned, soon come. Right, guys, this is it. This is it. This is the finished product. Jamaican authentic stew fish. This is it, man. And I can tell you now, guys, it tastes so delicious, so good. Yeah, man, this is it. Have a look. Have a look at this, guys. It's beautiful. So delicious. I wish you could smell the flavor, the aroma rather, coming from the pot. I'm telling you, it's packed with flavor, guys. Ah, this is it, man. Right. So that is it, guys. That's the finished product. So thanks for joining me in the hot kitchen, and thanks for watching this video. Yeah, and make sure, yeah, man, you give the hot kitchen a lots of thumbs up on this one. Yeah, man, cause this one it's no normal. Easy to cook, guys. Very easy to make. You see how me deal with the thing. So yeah, man, go ahead and give it a try. You know, from my kitchen to yours. Yeah, so that is it. Beautiful snapper fish, red snapper, that is. Yeah. So not right about now. I'm gonna like get the stove off, guys. It's on low medium heat at the minute, so I'm gonna turn it off because apparently we finished cooking. So that is it. So until then, I'll catch you in another video. Yes, guys, this is the stew fish that I was doing earlier. This is the big bad boy stew fish. This is a snapper, red snapper. Yeah, man. So I guess you've been wondering where's the side, but you can have this with anything of your choice. Whether you want some rice and peas, some white rice, some dumpling with some yellow yam, yeah, man, or some boiled banana. Good to go. That is it. So I'm gonna dig into the fish now, guys. Come on. That is it. Wow. That's the pepper, guys. And you can't have fish without pepper. It's not anything for you to run for any water or milk or sugar. No, just a little sting at the back of your throat. Yeah, man. That is it. Wow. It's amazing, guys. The flavor is so good. So good, guys. So yeah, you guys can give it a try. Give it a go. So delicious. Look at it. I don't think me one can finish this fish. You know, but I'm gonna eat some. You know, I'm gonna have some. Yeah, because I don't think I can finish all of this. Wow. So good, guys. So good. Amazing. That is it, guys. That is it. Until then, catch you in another video. Peace out. From Savizz Kitchen. Yeah, man, that is it. Look at that. Amazing.